Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... So, we're on a trail. That's going to be called the Powers Flume Trail. We're planning on following Powers Creek a bit down here. I've got the 50 mil on because it's beginning to feel a lot like life is coming back. So we'll probably see something that'll make a good up-close shot of. We found the flume. So this will be kind of the same sort of thing the Whale Ridge flume was. It's just kind of how they did them back in the day. They're still kind of neat to look at and follow. Camera will bring it out, but just the variation in color and texture on this rock, it'll be a bit different on another side. Some lichens will love the sun, some lichens will hate it. Just making this an entire different myriad of something. This section here, Fort St. John RCMP have issued an Amber Alert. Okay, well, don't disappear on me. Okay.
Workout paused.
Okay, well, that is officially my first Amber Alert, I think. Here, I was thinking we're getting nuked by Russia or something. But, yeah, I'm not joking about that. Of course. Flume intersection. Interesting. A flume with a view. Still under 2 kilometers, but this janky little thing, look at that. I'm pretty sure they used a screw. There's a bit of a view into the canyon. Oh, how cute. A washed out bridge. Okay, so I had to literally jump over a little tiny creek. And now we got Jenky Bridge number 2. That is, yeah, some glorious jankiness. I'm gonna follow along the nail line here. You can see where the log underneath they nailed it to is. That'll probably be the most solid section, even though that board gave me a heart attack. Why am I doing this now? Oh yeah, because it's fun or something. Wowzers. So that would be what you're expected to go off of. Yeah, I think I might want to take a break somewhere soon. Enjoy a bit of the view. Get some water. Drop a sweater. Maybe work on getting some vitamin D up here. And not that way, you guys. Get your dirty minds out of the gutter. I see you hearing me. Oh, cute little waterfall. I do get to hop over it. Isn't that sweet? Unless it's, you know, Jenky Bridge number 4. Look at that. So, I mean, it's not like a traditional spray in your face kind of waterfall, but it is a cute little set of mini rapids for salamanders and various little buggies, I'm sure. Well, it's a good thing we came up this time of year, because there's a good chance that that would all be gone by summer. So a lot of these little guys, once the runoff ends, is their end. Hey, this is a nice one. Ooh, it still feels janky. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick panners and get across here. Ooh, I don't know if you can feel this thing bouncing. Whew! Look at that. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that so This mountain here has a tower on it, and that leads me to believe that will be Okanagan Mountain. That one will be a 27-kilometer run with a 1,000-meter elevation gain. I'm gonna hate everybody that makes me do it, but as an added bonus, there's gonna be Baker Lake up there that I'm told is beautiful, better than Divide Lake, which is on the way up, but it's about a kilometer off the summit itself. If I'm gonna do the summit again, I am definitely gonna dip into Baker Lake. I want to see it. And it's something somebody told me about that I haven't been to before, so that means you definitely got to do it, right? Yeah, I'm going to recommend against trying whatever the heck that is. Maybe let that go. Well, don't drop your dog. Okay, well, I don't know how clearly you can see that, but I call that what the hell. I certainly ain't doing that on my bike, that's for sure. That's kind of a what are they thinking? I'm pretty sure that drop is taller than I am. I'm not even sure you can put a weld on a bike frame that'll handle that. Turns out I think we go this way. The Flume Trail at all. Wow. Okay, so that would be mud. I'll call that mud. I'm gonna step out onto the ice a little bit maybe. We're on our way back down. We've come up to our highest point. Looks like somebody's been using this as a shooting range. Hooray. So the chance that we might get shot is still in the picture. Yeah, that is still a total possibility. Aren't you guys excited? I know I am. Okay, we're all set up and back on the road. Had to replace my battery too. But yeah. Ooh, look at the moss. Yeah, so this appears to be some kind of service road. That'll take us back to Crazy Train. Once we're back at Crazy Train, we'll be on the way back. Alright, let's do it to it. Now, plotting something like this out. If you take this side here, it does look like you have a clear path through, but if you look, there's more water up in here. So we're probably better off taking the high ground and coming across here. Oh, that's deep. Okay. What's a good hiking trail without some solid bushwhacking, hey? Now, this is a thorny bush, but will my gambit coming through here pay off? And this thorny bush here says no. Now, I have this downed log. Ugh. Keep me somewhat out of the brush, having flattened it for me first.
Workout call.
That's the right we do not want, but this isn't any better.
Workout resumed.
Yeah, so that's the trail.
Workout resumed.
That's more of a stew or a soup than a trail. I'm going to take a bit of a view of the sign, just so you guys don't knock me for calling the trail fat. Okay, it's not my fault. The trail just let itself go, you understand? Fat badge. There's a sign here, there's a sign there, there's a trail that pops off that way. Our ultimate goal is to go that way. I do think that badge pops around. Whew. Looks like some damage happened in here. Probably a bit of a washout or something. So, trail got a little bad there. Now there is a stream running right through. So, yeah, and there's probably going to be a couple of streams that we cross up here, unless some of those come out of a natural spring on the side of the mountains. Ooh. I'm gonna sign out. Catch you guys on the next one.